Free TV. That is the topic of today's Tech in the News. An article that struck my eye when I was going through the technology news and Google News was do-it-all streaming service Plex is launching a new TV feature, and yes, it's free. The article here comes from Katie Keck from Gizmodo.com, which isn't the main topic I want to cover in today's Tech in the News, but essentially, what it's just talking about here is that as part of its ambitious bid to be your go-to streaming service for virtually everything, Plex is this week announced the addition of new free TV feature with more than 80 channels available at launch. It then goes on to talk about what free TV really means and what it's all about. So I'm just going to break that down a little bit, give you a slight better understanding. So free TV, as it's understood, is TV subscription where you can go watch whatever channels you want for free. The only problem is that they're not actual live channels. Like, you won't see brand new episodes being aired. It's rather just a scheduled broadcast of these shows at these times, so more like reruns. And to be fair, that's how most TV channels operate nowadays, is that they usually only run new episodes, usually around that prime time spot between 4 to 10 p.m. usually. And then the rest of the day, it's just reruns. There's no new episodes, anything like that. So it's pretty much right around there. So if you have a TV channel that's not having anything new coming out, you're just watching reruns, which is essentially what this service is providing. So why does it make it free? Well, if it's free, their goal here is that if you watch their channels, then they can also throw in ads as well and then generate their own ad revenue from that streaming service. So besides Plex, I wanted to also go around and look and see what other TV services there currently are that are free. I just Googled free TV services. And one that I've been seeing a lot recently is Peacock, and that's the new one from NBC, I believe. Yeah, NBC. Basically, it's just the same kind of thing. You can see they do have actual live television shows and sports on their channel. You do have to create an account and do all this other stuff, but you still have to pay for it. Well, you don't pay for ads, but they do get that ad airtime, which then they generate revenue with. So that's how they're able to do it for free. So there are a lot of other free TV streaming services out there. Pluto, I know, is another one that has Plex here. It says it has 80. I know Pluto has over 250 channels. So there are a fair bit of options out there for you. And I know there's a couple other things, like with Spotify. If you get Spotify subscription, you also get like a Hulu subscription as well. But then you still get stuck with the Hulu ads. It's kind of like the same thing. Like, yes, you're getting Hulu at like a discounted price, but you're still paying for it by having to watch those ads. So that is the Tech in the News today, talking about free TV services, and more specifically the new one that Plex is, and it's coming out with its 80 free channels as well as other things out there. So that is Tech in the News today, Thursday, July 23rd, 2020. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.